In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to find SEO mistakes for local SEO websites. So in this case, I'm looking for window cleaning businesses in my area. And one thing I'm doing is I'm scrolling down and I'm looking for page titles or title tags that don't have any SEO keywords. For example, Ninja window cleaning, that's got a branded term, Ninja, that's their website name, Ninja window cleaning. But you can see that I've already clicked on this website here to save you guys time. And it says home. That's not indicative of anything. I'm pretty sure that comes standard with, content management systems like WordPress. And so you can, one way to improve this would be by adding in local SEO terms. So for example, window cleaning in Tucson, Arizona, that could be a keyword, right? And one thing we could see using a tool like a SEMrush, we can see if their traffic's going up or down, and we can see what kind of keywords they're ranking for. So let's type in Tucson, since that's the area I'm in and I'm searching for. And took some window washing, pressure washing. Let's see which one brings them the most volume. Window cleaning in Tucson, it's probably this one here. Let's say this was a keyword, window cleaning in Tucson, Arizona. Okay, then that's one thing we could add to their home page title tag. And if we hover over my tab here, we can see that they're not doing that for their page title. And we can see that using a tool called Detailed. We can see that repetition here of the word home. And so one thing to do instead would be to add window cleaning in Tucson, Arizona. And so for example, if we were to optimize this page here, we want to make sure that we're adding the keyword to tell Google robots like, hey, this is the keyword that we want to rank for this page. In this example, it's the home page. If it was a service page or a product page, the same thing applies here. We want to add it to the page title tag. The description, this is way too big. Just include a call to action. If that's like, call to get a free estimate, then just include that here. Briefly give a description about what services you offer, how, your unique value proposition, why choose you over a competitor, or highlight some benefits of working with you, perhaps here. And you can use a tool like ChatGPT to just basically copy all of this here and, and basically have it formulate an SEO title tag. Make sure to use So we could see here I told it, pretend you're an SEO expert and build a meta description for this page. I literally just copied all this text here, just pasted it in here, and then at the end I remembered, okay, just make sure it's 150 characters in length and include a call to action, CTA. Boom, this is perfect here. You could just copy this here and include that in the homepage, right? And if you need help with the page title, you could do the same thing. Just make sure that you're targeting the right keyword. And if you needed extra assistance with this, I know a SEMrush has this really helpful tool where you can basically plug in your keyword here and it'll create like this template of like your top competitors and give you examples of what kind of keywords you can use to build out, the page copy. And it gives you, what the page title should be, the meta description, H1, include it there. Basic stuff here. And it's got a real-time content check, which you can open in the SEO Writing Assistant. Again, you just paste all the information here, and this little tab here starts updating real time. And it's very neat. It tells you what to do, the readability score, and gives you more SEO tips. So in the next video, I'm going to give you guys more tips on how to optimize the page for keywords.